Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to lock notes on iPhone iOS 18. So if you have some notes on your iPhone that you want to protect or lock with password, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to lock notes on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the note application. Then once you open the note application, locate the folder where the note is. Mark you cannot lock notes in quick note. So if you have any notes on your quick notes, you're not able to lock the note. But if you have your note on other notes on the folder or iCloud, you can easily lock the note on your iPhone. Then go ahead and select the note you want to lock on your iPhone. So let's say this particular note. Then once you selected the note, click on the three dots at the top right. Then you should see lock. So go ahead and tap lock. Then once you click on it, you see that says enter your lock notes password. So go ahead and type in your lock note password. And then click on OK. Then you should see enable Face ID for this account locked note. So you want to enable Face ID so that if you forget your note password, you'll be able to use your Face ID to unlock it. So go ahead and tap enable Face ID. Then that is it. Then you should see the note locked. Just click on this button to lock the note. Click on this to unlock it, or type your Face ID. So if you have the note just like this, to not lock the notes on your iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is locate the opened key icon at the top here and click on it. Then you see this note is locked. So that is a cool feature on your iPhone or notes. And then if you come here, if you see the key just before the note, and that is to tell you that this note is locked, then locate another note you want to lock again. Repeat the process like this. And then confirm your Face ID, and then you can see adding lock, and your iPhone is going to use the exact same code or password you use to lock your note. To lock it, just go ahead and tap lock, and then there you go. So you can repeat this on all the notes you have on your iPhone by clicking on it like this, and then tap lock note, then confirm your Face ID, and then the notes will be locked like this. So that is basically how to lock notes on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.